everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hey girl, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this style. I used two to three types of gel on my hair, okay? If you're interested in knowing how I achieved it, just stay tuned and keep on watching. My hair is not clean. Let me just put the disclaimer out there. My hair is not clean in any way, shape or form. I didn't want to wash my hair and then apply gel and then have to wash it again because I don't really like gel just sitting in my hair for no reason. So I'll probably wash my hair tomorrow. So I decided to just do this style for you guys, okay? Now that the disclaimer is out of the way, let's start with this video. So my hair was in a different style I did. I'm pretty sure I've uploaded this style. I'm going to link it here or in the description box below, and I just took it out of that style. Basically, like, it still has the lines and everything, so I'm going to take out the twists and just, you know, prep my hair for this style. My hair is already a bit damp, so I'm not really going to be adding so much water. I'm just going to detangle it a bit now. This is what my hair is looking like currently. I'm going to be attaching my clippings to the hair. I'm just going to take my two clips clipping. I'm going to link the video where I got this. I also have a discount code. You can also check it out. But this hair is from WINGSBYHERGIVENHAIR. I'm going to link it below, okay? So I'm just going to like detangle the hair a bit. Yep, this. And then I'm going to make a part at the back. I just put two clips on one side and then took some sections of hair down and put the other two clips on the other side, so it just works better for me. If you have long hair, it's perfectly fine, you don't have to use clippings. If you have short hair that can go into a bun, a low bun, it's perfectly fine. My hair can go into a low bun, but I just want that volume at the back because I'm going to be wearing like a dress, so I just want the volume. I don't want everything to just be flat on my head. Now that we're done with the disclaimer, let's start with the style. I'm going to section the front part, make the part, and work with the back section. Before I start working with the back section, I'm just going to see my part and see how I'm going to do it. I want to do like a C part situation. I have a mirror, so why am I not using this mirror? I think this is where I want my part to be. It's going to be tricky, but that's where I want my part to start from. I'm just going to section this part away, and I'm also going to section this part as well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to detangle this part of the hair, the back part. I'm going to spray some water. I'm going to section the back section in two and then start working with my hair. I have this Hairstyle professional styling gel in the black castor oil and flaxseed oil. I also have this shine and jam conditioning gel extra hold. And for my edges, guys, I'm serious with this styling. I have this Murray Edge Wax Premium Gel Australian Beeswax, you know, edge control or whatever it is. So for the back section, I'm going to be using the Hairstyle gel, okay? I have my scrunchie here, so I'm going to just quickly put this into like a low bun. So I'm going to take the Hairstyle gel, hopefully it works, and spray some water. Just a little bit. Pray for me, guys. I don't know, I'm not very sure of this decision, but pray for me. So I started applying little quantity of gel. I was trying not to do too much because I don't know, after I made this video, that was when I decided to watch other hairstyles with gel, and I realized they used way more gel than I used. But for me, I'm not very used to the lifestyle of using gel on my hair, so I tried as much as possible to not use so much gel. So I just sectioned this part and put it down into like a bun, a quick bun, and then I started working with the next section. One thing I realized with this hairstyle, yeah, is first off, your hair is going to shrink. The more you apply water, your hair is going to shrink. So I just kept going. I was trying to use as little quantity of gel as possible. I think if you're going for like a slick, smooth style, I would suggest you use more gel than I did, but I was just trying out my luck. Maybe in another video I can try out like using proper gel everywhere, but I don't think someone would be comfortable with the amount of gel with that much amount of gel being in their hair. I don't know, let me know what you guys think, because I'm not very used to like the gel, and I think gel doing your hair with like gel is probably for like weddings, for like, you know, these events that really requires your hair to be sleek. I don't know, please correct me if I'm wrong. Anyways, I applied the Eco Styler gel in the front section. So I think this part was a part where I knew that okay, my hair was not clean. I don't know if it's my hair not being clean or my hair being low porosity, which is why I was seeing like this white things in the front. But like I tried as much as possible to like blend it in as much as I could. At this point I could not find like my proper brush, so I was just using the Tangle Teaser as a brush, which also worked for me because it sort of like detangled the roots of my hair. So I just kept smoothing it. I was trying as much as possible to smoothen it as much as I could. And for the front section, I also divided that part because there was no way I was going to work with that much section. And I also think if you want your own style to be as slick or slicker than how mine was, or more flat, I don't know what word to use, I would suggest you use smaller sections. So basically when you want to apply the gel, apply it on smaller sections. My sections were really huge, guys. To be honest, my sections were really huge, and the arm workout this requires, yeah, we're not going to talk about that because the arm workout was serious. Anyways, I just kept going. I kept, you know, smoothing it out, applying as little quantity gel as I could, not too much, because I didn't want it to like feel heavy on my head. I didn't want it to feel like there's just gel around my head, although I was still conscious about it, but it was okay. It was something I could see myself doing again in a much more better like hairstyle and timing. And I don't know why I chose to do, okay, I know why I actually chose to do this style, because I was on the brink of giving up, but I told myself if I do it on a Sunday morning when I'm going to church and I've applied my makeup, there was no way I was going to give up. Then I went in with this gel. I think this gel was what did it for me. It just laid my hair, like it laid it so flat. I was so surprised. Like I was like, okay, maybe I should have used this from the beginning, but I don't think I would want to use it from the beginning. I think the Eco Styler gel can work with the rest of my hair, and this shine and shine jam and shine or something is way better for the front, because it just gives that flat look. Like it makes the hair slip on your scalp, like your hair is not going to wake up except you pour water on it or something. Anyways, I just kept going in with the Eco Styler gel, and I used the shine and jam gel at the end, like, you know, to settle everything. And I also noticed that spraying water and applying so much gel on my hair also made my hair shrink. So this final part, like this part where I was going to determine the shape of the side curve and all of that, it was a struggle. Like when I tell you guys my hair had shrinked, I did not know how else to like make it match with the rest of my hair. I was struggling. The more gel I applied, the more it shrinked. And at this point, to be honest, I almost gave up. I almost said no. And then I started panicking, started applying more gel. I had to stand up to make sure everything was well. I had to go very close to the mirror to make sure I'm doing it properly. And yeah, okay, so I have pinned it down. I'm just going to use this gel to, you know, smoothing the whole thing. I just use the shine and jam everywhere around my hair, like the places I was seeing like my hair lifting, or the places I felt the Eco Styler gel did not like smooth down. So I used it, and I also found my brush, guys. I eventually found my brush when I was struggling to put my hair in the final ponytail. I found my brush and I just used that to smoothen it. I also used a bobby pin because the bobby pin was needed at this point. I'm trying to avoid using bobby pins with my styles, but this day I did not even have time to try to slick any hair down too much or apply more gel. I just said, you know what, I'm going to use a bobby pin, and it worked out. It worked out really fine. This was where I attempted to use my gel, the gel for my edges, which you guys saw me use, but I just figured it didn't work, and I went back to my Shine and Jam, and it just worked. Okay, that Shine and Jam gel, guys, if your hair does not work with gel, use Shine and Jam. This is me promoting them literally, because it worked. Like, it did not leave any residue. Any white patches you see on my hair was caused by the Eco Styler gel, and that could also play a part with the fact that my hair was not clean. And I'm going to use this bobby pin, their wide bobby pin. When I went for a wedding shoot, the hairstylist used it to tuck my hair, and when I got back home, they were still in my hair. I'm like, oh nice, I'm going to use it for my bridal styles. It's like so easy. It doesn't stretch your hair, it doesn't pull on your hair like the normal bobby pins if you're using it to like make the puff stay in. It was like the perfect bobby pin to use. Then I went in and tied my scarf. Of course, ironing the hair. You have to iron, especially with these styles. You have to iron your hair, guys. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. Okay, so I'm going to set that in for about 10 minutes while I finish with the rest of my makeup and put on my outfit. And yeah, okay guys, let's pray. Ooh, ooh. I mean, it's not bad. I could do better, but it's not bad. I honestly could do better, but it's really not bad, to be honest. So this is what the hair is looking like. This is what the end result is. I think the next time I want to do a side part, I'll probably plan it better, because the struggle was real. But like, this is the end result. This is what it looks like. And if you would want me to probably do more styles with gel, let me know in the comment section below. But this was a struggle. I'm not even going to pretend like, oh, it was so easy to, nah, it was a struggle. And the amount of gel on my hair is making me very uncomfortable, but we're going to church and we're going to pray over it. I've come to the end of this video. Let me know what you guys think about this style. Would you wear it? Would you try it out? Do you use gel on your hair, or do you not use gel on your hair? I think this just snatched my face up. It just really shows my face shape. But yeah, I'm not mad at it. I think it looks cute. Thank you guys so much for watching if you watched to the end, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.